NABARD Grade A Notification 2024. Vacancy 102. Date the 27th of July to the 15th of August 2024. Age 21 to 30 years. Fees General, OBC, and EWS equals 800 रुपए per. SC, ST, and PWD equals Rs. 150. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD has released the notification for the recruitment of Grade A Officers Assistant Manager. The NABARD Grade A notification has been released on the 25th of July 2024. The NABARD Grade A 2024 applications will be accepted from the 27th of July to the 15th of August 2024. The official website of the NABARD is nabard.org, from where the eligible candidates can apply online. Overview. Recruitment Organization National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD Post Name Grade A Officer Total Vacancies 102 Notification Date the 25th of July 2024 Category NABARD Grade A Notification 2024 Official website nabard.org. Important dates. The NABARD Grade A Notification 2024 has been released on the 25th of July 2024 in various national daily newspapers. The detailed notification with vacancies, education qualification, age, application fee, and selection process will be released on the 27th of July 2024. The NABARD Grade A applications will be accepted from the 27th of July to the 15th of August 2024. The NABARD Grade A Assistant Manager written exam will be held on the 1st of September 2024. Application fee. The application fee for the NABARD Grade A Assistant Manager Vacancy 2024 is 800 rupees per for the general, OBC, and EWS categories. The application fee for the SC, ST, and PWD candidates is Rs. 150. The fee has to be paid in the online mode. NABARD Grade A 2024 Vacancies, Eligibility. Age limit. The age limit for the NABARD Grade A Recruitment 2024 is 21-30 years. The crucial date for the calculation of the age limit is the 1st of July 2024. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules. Post Name Vacancy Qualification Assistant Manager RDBS 100 Graduation Degree in Related Field Assistant Manager Rajbhasha 2 Graduation Degree in Related Field. Selection Process. The selection process of the NABARD Grade A Assistant Manager includes the prelims written exam, mains written exam, interview, document verification, and medical examination. The prelims exam pattern of the NABARD Grade A Recruitment 2024 is given in the image below. How to apply? Follow these steps to apply for the NABARD Grade A Assistant Manager Recruitment 2024. Visit the website nabard.org. Then click on the Career Notices in the menu bar. Here the list of all the latest recruitments is given. Click on the NABARD Grade A Assistant Manager RDBS 2024 link. Download the NABARD Grade A notification and check the eligibility. Click on the Apply Online link and duly fill up the application form. Upload the required documents and pay the application fee. Submit the NABARD Grade A application form. Current Affairs, GK Trick और Current Jobs update के लिए like, share और subscribe channel.